What's the meaning of alley? Alley. 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 Alley.
An alley is a narrow passage or street between buildings or walls, often used as a pedestrian walkway. It usually has a gritty, urban vibe and is often associated with cities and downtown areas. Alleys can be found in many different cultures and historical periods, from medieval European towns to contemporary American cities. Some alleys are dark and shadowy, while others are brightly lit and bustling with activity. Despite their small size and limited functionality, alleys can be important cultural landmarks and sites of community building and expression.